Well, starting a new job today. Gonna be digging out a pond a little bit. Excavator's loaded. The truck is warming up. So let's head to the job and I'll show you what we're doing. All right, so we're out here on this new job we're starting. So they built this pond and it wasn't quite deep enough in this area. They have this dock they're gonna jump off of, do backflips, whatever. A couple, you know, I got some teenage kids. And so it's deep right now, but we're gonna set the excavator up along this shoreline, and we're gonna reach way out and start digging, get it as deep as we can go, because over time it will silt in. There's a lot of loose dirt and it's gonna silt in and fill in. So the idea is we dig it as deep as we can go, and as it silts in, it's still gonna be quite a bit deeper than it already is. They started pumping this the other day, brought the water line down several feet. I think it's gonna be firm enough to get the excavator in here, but we'll see. All right, that being said, let's get unloaded and let's get to it. Venture out here and see how soft it is. It's not bad. Anytime you're digging like this, you start to see your blade drop and your track sink, you better back out. Well, so we're done digging this hole. Reached out as far as we could go, considering how steep this dam is already. It's a mushy mess, but we deepened that about 5 feet. It'll probably silt in some, but it's all sandstone down there, so it should be pretty easy to dig it out in the future. Have to clean all this out. I'd like to push all this dirt, get all this dirt out and really get in there, but it's that's what we ended up with on the budget. It is so wet. They're gonna build up on top and jump from there. But the water line's that water line will probably get right up to about here. So they'll have about an 8-foot jump. That'll give them over 12 to 15 feet of water down here to land in. Should be good. So time to load up, head on home. Thanks for watching.